This initial solution will show you how to collaborate on Instagram. To collaborate on Instagram, first of all, you have to convert your personal Instagram account to a business or professional account. And once done, you will get the collaborator option. Now open your Insta application and tap on this plus sign to create a new feed or reel post. Tap on next. Next. Tap on tag people. Tap on invite collaborator. Search for the collaborator's account. And add them. Tap on done. Tap on share. And wait for them to accept. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.